Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Let's lay down on your back. Just stay there, take a deep breath. Palm side up. Inhale through the nose. Out through the nose to cultivate long, deep breathing. Inhale to oxygenate your body. Exhale to release any tension. One more deep breath. And exhale. Let it go. Okay, now bend your knees. Bring your heels close to your hips. Now just windshield your knees to the side. Release all hip joints. Okay, now hook your right leg over your left knee. Inhale, exhale, bring your knee close to your chest. And from here, a little bit circle leg. Reverse circle. Now stretch out this knee. And stay there. And now bring your legs down. Now switch. Left over right. Inhale, exhale, bring your knee close to your chest. Now circle your foot. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now stretch out your knee. Hold the back of your leg. Inhale, exhale. Widen your shoulders. Inhale to lengthen your spine, tailbone to the ground. Exhale to widen your shoulders. One more deep inhale. And exhale, release. Now from here, use momentum of your leg and come to seated pose. Okay? And from here, a little bit wide and long. Completely without completely bending your knee. A little bit like a little bit more wide and long. And inhale and just hang there. You don't have to go deep. Just try to feel the weight of your head. And this will help you to stretch your back and neck. And stay there. And maybe while you are doing this stretch a little bit, grab your feet to give a little massage. To awaken your body. And a little bit caress your legs. And massage. Do whatever your body needs. Maybe also a little bit grab and massage your thighs. And feel free to move your neck. And maybe give yourself a little bounce. And bounce, maybe shift your hips to the side. And very good, come up. Inhale a little bit backward, back bend, lifting up sternum to get the sun rays. Open up your body, open up the chest, widen your collarbones. Okay, now come to tabletop pose. Palm heel underneath your shoulders. Knees open about the hip distance, tuck your toes. And here a little bit shift your hips to the side. So because we are waking up our body, feel free to do, follow the cue from your body. So if you want to have a little bit swing your head, feel free to do so. Okay, very good. Okay, now reach your hands forward. Inhale, exhale, sit on your hips. And inhale back to forward, somewhat neutral. And exhale, sit on your heel, extended cat pose. Inhale to the neutral position. Exhale. Inhale back to center. Exhale, sit onto your heels. Inhale back to center. Exhale, sit. One more inhale, center. Exhale, go deeper on the stretch. Very good. Okay, now let's take very fast downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here, on your heels, on your toes, and bring your heels down to pedal your feet. And so that you can get a maximum stretch on your legs and as well as your back and side of your body. And also arms. Okay, now take Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. And inhale on your toes, exhale, bend your knees, squeeze your knee to your chest. Inhale, tailbone high up, exhale, squeeze your knee to your chest. Inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch and exhale, bend your knees. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale, exhale, bring your heels down. Okay, now walk your feet forward onto your hands. Okay, open your legs about the hip distance and slightly bend your knees. Hug your elbows, relax your head. And sway your head gently to the side. And relax your hands. Inhale, halfway, straighten your knee. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale all the way up. And from here, let's repeat a half salutation. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale all the way up. Hands heart center, samasthi. Repeat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinge on your hips. Inhale, halfway. Extend your spine. Exhale, forward. Relax your shoulder and chest. Inhale, all the way reaching up to the sky. Exhale, hands heart center to samasthi. Inhale, connect your breath with motion. Exhale, forward. Inhale to reach forward. Exhale for bend. Inhale all the way up, hands heart center, motor fluent. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale dynamically, waken up your body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hands heart center. One more. Inhale. Reach. Exhale forward. Inhale, halfway, reach head forward. Exhale, bend. Inhale, arch. Give yourself a little arch here. Center, hand center to samasthi. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!